Hi, welcome to my channel Versova World. Let's make a polygonal geometric design of a face of a wolf. You will require a cutting mat, a stiff paper of 160 to 220 GSM, an ordinary paper on which we will be taking out the printout, paper cutting knife, steel ruler, scissor, a masking tape. First we will attach the printout to the stiff paper. We can directly take the printout on the stiff paper, but sometimes it's difficult to take a printout of stiff paper in some printers. Using a steel ruler and a paper cutting knife, we'll start cutting all the necessary parts. We won't be taking the cuts directly on the print lines, but we'll be taking the cuts parallel to and about 1 mm or 2 mm away from the print lines. Here, this is how it will look. If we'll take printouts directly on the print lines, those print lines are very thin, so our model will become very flimsy. We can use thicker paper also, say 260 GSM or so, but the thicker the paper, the more difficult it is to cut them. Instead of paper, we can even use plastic sheets and metal sheets. Plastic sheets and metal sheets are more sturdy compared to paper and they last longer also. But the problem is it's difficult to cut plastic and metal sheets, and many a times it requires specialized equipments and expertise. It is always advisable to use paper because papers are very cheap and easy to work with. It took me less than 1 hour to complete this model, and it is very easy to cut also, and it makes a great handmade gift, and it looks great as a wall decoration. Handmade gifts are always appreciated because you have taken the efforts, you have spent time, you have taken the pains to make it. If you search the internet, you will find many such designs. You will have to enter the words polygon or polygonal, geometric designs, geometric patterns, and you will find many patterns and designs. Depending on your requirement, you will find there are many patterns and designs of fishes, trees, animals, birds, etc. There are patterns of famous celebrities as well as famous cartoon characters also. Before we proceed further, a word of caution. Please be very careful when you are using a paper cutting knife. When not in use, slide the blade into its protective sheath. You have to take special care when children are around because they might catch hold of it and might injure themselves or someone. Our model is ready for display. As you can see that it's so easy to make and it looks so beautiful as a wall decoration. Hope this has inspired you to make one yourself. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.